to hold, a piece of later this year. I keep on saying later this year. Keep on, failing to come with a date, and I know Botho University is part of that particular effort as well, and other institutions to begin to come with a date, because the question is, how will this cost sharing look like in the future? What does it mean that we are going to be cost sharing? A big part of it really has to be graduates, when they start working, pay back a portion of the cost that it took to educate them. Really, that has to be just a very important part of the cost sharing. But cost sharing also is going to call for a means testing of parents to see the extent to which parents can actually contribute to the education of their children. Also going to call, maybe even to participation of banks and other financial institutions, for universities to say, I believe so much in this program. I know these children, this young person is going to get a job in 4 years' time, and therefore, I'm able to support, a bank that says they can actually have some kind of loan program, that is with participation of institutions in terms of making sure that these kids don't disappear after 4 years, into the mist, to make sure that a program of payback, at the end of programs. Because right now it's very difficult for a parent to go to a bank and say, can I have a loan of, how much does it cost, whatever, for 4 years, and not sure that actually at the end of 4 years they will get their money back. And of course, most banks want their money tomorrow. They don't want it in 4 years' time. So begin to now negotiate with financial institutions of a new model of funding for loans. Those are some of the things we need to think about and talk about. So going forward, we have to think about what will this cost sharing look like in the future.